Yo. Check, check, 1, 2. Check.
Open hands for the local boys, please.
Namarang doon na jamar pole. Go to school every day. Education. I said wake up in the morning, then I look at myself. Then in the mirror, doesn't matter who you are, but what you dream and where you came from. That we are one blood, two system. Well, come on, well, as I brush my teeth and took the shower, what is good to learn about the mathematics, but science and English. So keep on going to school, then every day on Monday to Friday. So you can have a brighter future, plus with a good education. So you can go to the north, to the east, to the south, to the west. Well, come on, well, if you make a mistake, what that you learn from your mistakes. So keep on coming, keep on mumbling, jumble, and keep on coming the step until you reach your goal to maintain as a younger warrior. The warrior. Kada berbom dia kakak cengannya dal kuman. 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 I got the voice, I can stand up and lead. I got a choice, I can make the right choice. I want to live that how I've been raised. I got the way to be that. I can be strong, damn that, so I can that for myself. And to help my tribe along. In doing ini jangan berkakak jarum. Jangan nyedal kuman. Kada berong, ke generation go. Yo, a generation go. Yo, a generation go. A generation go. Stand up, stand up, stand up for your rights. Stand up for your futures and the laws and the countries. And cause the next generation is gonna be you, my para. Kada mga de papa, de mariwako, de kaminyar, de kultara, de marin, momo. You brothers and sisters, na pagkakaterom. Yang nga dal kuman, kawana. Kada purgu, kada purgu, kada purgom. Yang kakatenganya dal kuman. Kada purgom, yang kakatenganya dal kuman. Kada purgom, yang kakatenganya dal kuman. Kada purgom, yang kakatenganya dal kuman. Then I'm spreading my words. Too many good I rap and guinea mullen, give me alcohol and like ball I run up to go to balance the world between Yolngo and Balanda. Between Yolngo and Balanda. Thank you folks. This is Captain Jack Sparrow. Have a good night. Peace.
Everyone, big